Understanding Pay Per Download, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pay per download. This phrase is commonly used in the digital world, and understanding it can help you navigate the internet more effectively. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning together. Pay per download is a compound phrase. To understand it, let's break it down into its components. 1. Pay refers to giving money in exchange for something. 2. Per is a preposition that means for each or for every. 3. Download means to transfer data, like a file, from the internet to your computer or device. So, putting it all together, pay per download means paying a certain amount of money for each download you make. In a pay-per-download system, you are charged a fee each time you download a digital product. This could be anything like music, movies, ebooks, software. For example, if a song costs $1 to download, and you download it, you pay $1. If you download 3 songs, you pay $3. It's a straightforward way to purchase digital goods. It's important to differentiate pay-per-download from subscription models. In a subscription model, you pay a regular fee, like monthly or yearly, for unlimited access to a range of products. With pay-per-download, you pay for each individual item you download. There are no recurring fees unless you download something new. Advantages: pay only for what you use. No ongoing commitments. Disadvantages: can be expensive for frequent downloads. Less convenient than subscriptions for regular use. That's all about pay per download. We hope this video has clarified what this phrase means and how it applies in the digital world. Whether you're downloading your favorite song or buying an ebook, understanding this term can make your online experience smoother. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.